Strapi versus Contentful Headless CMS comparison. Choosing the right Headless CMS can transform how you manage content efficiently without getting stuck in rigid platforms. Both Strapi and Contentful offer unique approaches to content management. Strapi and Contentful are popular headless CMS options designed to deliver content via APIs. The core difference lies in Strapi being open source and self-hosted, while Contentful is a fully managed cloud service, each serving different development needs and levels of control. Strapi is an open source headless CMS that allows developers to build customizable content APIs quickly. It works by letting users self-host their backend, giving full control over data, customization, and security. Build on Node. Strapi offers a flexible admin panel and supports RESTful and GraphQL APIs out of the box. Its strengths include extensibility through plugins, complete data ownership, and no vendor lock-in. However, self-hosting requires technical expertise for setup, maintenance, and scaling, which can be a limitation for teams without dedicated DevOps support. Strapi is ideal for developers and businesses wanting full control, customization, and ownership of their content infrastructure, especially when compliance or data privacy is a priority. Contentful is a cloud-based headless CMS that provides a fully managed content infrastructure accessible via APIs. It simplifies content management by handling hosting, scaling, and security, allowing teams to focus on content creation and delivery. Contentful offers a user-friendly interface, powerful content modeling, and robust SDKs for multiple programming languages. Its strengths lie in quick setup, reliability, and enterprise-grade features with global CDN support. On the downside, it is a proprietary platform with subscription costs and less flexibility in backend customization compared to self-hosted solutions. Contentful suits businesses and teams that prefer a hassle-free, scalable CMS with professional support and are comfortable with a cloud vendor managing their content infrastructure. Strapi and Contentful serve different user needs despite both being headless CMSs. Strapi's open source nature gives developers full control and customization, but requires managing your own infrastructure. This makes it perfect for projects needing tailored workflows or strict data governance. Contentful, as a managed cloud service, offers ease of use, scalability, and professional support, ideal for teams wanting to avoid infrastructure overhead and focus on content delivery. The trade-off is less backend flexibility and ongoing subscription costs. For example, a startup with technical resources might choose Strapi to save costs and customize deeply, while a large enterprise might prefer Contentful for its reliability and support. Both excel in RP-driven content delivery, but differ in control, cost, and maintenance responsibilities. Choose Strapi if you need full control, customization, and data ownership with the ability to self-manage your CMS infrastructure. Contentful is the better choice for teams seeking a managed, scalable solution with minimal setup and professional support. It streamlines content operations so you can focus on growth without worrying about back-end maintenance or infrastructure challenges.